Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to cover some questions as a review for end of year assessment. And the first question in front of us, which equation is false? So we are going to select which one is wrong, is not correct. If you remember, we covered before the relation between the radicals and rational powers, or rational exponent, or rational exponent. So for example, I want to say if we have a square root of x, this means we have x power half. If we have cubic root of x power 5, this means x power 5 over 3. So now we have to make a relation between both. Like we have the first one, we have first radical of what? X power 3. So this represents as x power 3 over 4. So now, the first part we have here is it x power 3 over 4. If you square, so what are we going to do here? Multiply 3 over 2 times 2, so it's 3. So this part is x power 3 only. So is it the same? No. So this equation is what? The false one. This is the wrong one. So we are going to select this equation. If you want to check the others one, so let's try this one. So here we have x power 3 over 4. If you multiply 3 over 2 times half, 3 over 2 times half, so it's a 3 over 4. Still the same. This one is correct equation. He asked for what? The false equation, the wrong one. Also, if you multiply here, so it will be 4 over 3, x power 4 over 3. 2 times 2 is 4 over 3. Is it equal x power here 4 over 3? Yes. So this is the correct. And also the other one is correct. So the wrong answer is number 1, and we are going to select number 1. Second question we have, select the value for the function f and g are shown in the table below. Okay. If both are equal, what's the meaning of both function f of x and g of x are equal? It means that the value of y equals at what value of x? So first we are going to look which parts in f of x equal g of x. Which one? Yes, if you look to both equation, you will find 3. Yes, 3.01. Both are equal. What else? Do we have something else? Yes, 2 point. Yes, 2.53. So if you look at 3.01, 3.01, the value of 3.11 and 9.01, it's not the same. So this point, not point of intersection. Because if you want to find the solution, it means both equation, if we graph both, they have point of intersection. It means the value of x and the value of y must be the same. Okay, this is a solution. Point of intersection. Again, if you have two functions and you graph both, so the solution is the point of intersection of both functions. So if we draw any equations that represent both g of x and h of x, the solution is the point of intersection here. Okay, so you are looking for x have the same value and y have the same value. So if you look at 2.53, yes, y is what? 8.52, and 8 is 0.52 also at 2.53. So the solution for the function, it means we have x equal what? 8.52. Okay. The next question we have the expression 6 minus 3x minus 2i squared is equivalent, sorry, to what? So it's equal to what? How we solve it? We have to expand it. Like you have 3x minus 2i squared. If you expand it, so you have 6 minus 9x squared, and the last term will be, yes, negative uh, 4, because negative 2i times negative 2i is positive 4i squared. I squared is negative, so it's a negative 4. The middle term is what? 2 times 2i times 3x, and the middle sign is negative. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12xi. Now subtract 6 minus, distribute the negative sign, so you have negative 9x squared, positive 12xi, and 6 plus 4 is what? 10. Okay? So which one represents this function? Which one? A? Yes, it's A. So your answer is A. Okay? The last question we have today is find A minus BC. So you are going to find A, which is negative 3 plus 5i minus BC. It means you are going to multiply B, which is 4 minus 2i, multiply by C, which is 1 plus 6i. Expand the right hand, the second part. We have 4 minus 2i. If you expand it, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24i. And 2 times 1 is negative 2i. And negative 2 times it's negative 12. So it's positive 12. Yes? Because I squared is negative 1. Now, distribute the negative. So negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. Okay? And don't forget you have negative 12. Negative 7 and negative 12. Again, we have negative 3, negative 4, and negative 12 because we have negative outside here. So negative 4 and negative 12, negative 16, negative 3, 16, and negative 3 is negative 19. So now maybe this one or this one because we have negative 19 here. Now we have 5i minus 24i, so it's negative 19i, and the minus 2i, yes, positive 2i, sorry, so it's positive 2i, so it's negative 17. Again, 5i minus 24, or 5i minus what? 24 minus 2 is 22i, so it's 5i minus 22i is negative 17i, so your answer is this part. Okay, please don't forget to send your notes. Have a great day and see you tomorrow.